Add a touch of high-tech class to your kitchen worktop with the stunning contemporary design of this AEG induction hob. You can bridge two zones together by simply pairing them at the touch of a button, allowing you to customize your own cooking area when using large pots and pans. Maxi Sense is a clever self-sizing control that detects the shape and size of your pots and pans, adjusting the heat accordingly, so you can enjoy efficient and even cooking straight from your hob. The direct touch controls are sleek and intuitive, with a simple touch slider that lets you select your exact desired temperature. Enjoy simple and precise cooking that delivers fantastic results every time. This induction hob from AEG only heats the area beneath your pans, so you can safely clean as you go, keeping the surface looking pristine.